Makumalo yesterday she posted a picture on her Facebook holding a baby. Some of the people they say it's her baby because last time she posted the same baby, the baby was in 2 weeks or 1 week, but now the baby is in 3 months or 4 months. But I don't think that it was Makumalo's baby. I think maybe it's her sister's baby because Musamseleku's family, they didn't allow to post everything on social media. Last time Sneh was pregnant, we heard with some rumors that Sneh was pregnant. We don't see her photos when she was pregnant because Mzansi Magic didn't allow her to post on social media. They want to save it for content. What about Makumalo? Guys, Makumalo trend a lot on social media about an issue to have got kids, to have got IVF. I think maybe when she had an IVF, maybe Makumalo can't post a baby now on social media. They can save it for season 10. Musamseleku love to have content. He knows that Makumalo have got many views. People, we want to see what's happened about Makumalo's IVF. Maybe that IVF got have successful. I don't think that it was Makumalo's baby. Musamseleku's wives and the kids, they don't being allowed to post everything on social media because of the content. Last time Musamseleku buy houses for his wives, but they didn't post those houses on social media or to post the pictures, because when they started posting pictures on those houses, people we started suspect that Musamseleku's wives are no longer staying in Muzumbe, or to suspect something. So they want to surprise us that they have got houses to trend a lot on social media. What about Makumalo's issue to have got a child? So Musamseleku's family, guys, are popular, are too popular now on DSTV. They have got many views than other people's views. So their lives are not on social media. They are saving it for content for season 10. Musamseleku, when Makumalo have got an IVF, or maybe they agreed to each other to have a child through IVF, I don't think maybe now, because those people, they look like they are not together, they don't understand each other. Makumalo now, she is too close to her family. Her family always visiting Makumalo because Makumalo built her house in Durban. So she is no longer staying in Muzumbe than Musamseleku's family. Other people, they say it's Sneh's daughter. Makumalo was holding Sneh's daughter. Makumalo and Sneh now, they are not getting along. Even Makumalo and Musamseleku's kids are not getting along than Mpilo. Yes, Mpilo, she is the only, but because of their relationship with Musamseleku, if Musamseleku was not welcomed at Makumalo's new house, what about his kids? That's why Makumalo, she is always with her family. Yes, Makumalo have to accept her situation that her sister's kids are her kids. There is no problem. She can stay with her sister's kids. You understand? But people to say it's Makumalo's child, I don't think that it's Makumalo's child. We want to see on season 10 what's happened about Makumalo's. I don't think that Makumalo, she is going through about IVF to have IVF with Musamseleku. If Musamseleku doesn't want to have IVF with Makumalo, so Makumalo's process is failed. I think Makumalo, she give up about IVF process, because IVF process, they started it long time when they start Utando Nestembo since season 2 until now. Makumalo want to have IVF, but Macele didn't allow Musamseleku to have IVF. I don't think that is Makumalo's child. Makumalo now, she accept, guys, even you don't have kids, but you have to know that your sister's kids are your kids. You understand? Even you, sometimes you can't carry a child with the womb, but other kids are your kids. Your sister's kids, especially even in Pilo, your husband kids are your kids too. So it's not about to be a mom is to carry a child for 9 months. You understand? Or maybe your child, you have got the same DNA with you. No,